What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're gonna shoot a super dope cinematic B-roll sequence with the DJI Osmo Action. Stay tuned. So I've been seeing some really dope B-roll videos from James Matthews, Daniel Schiffer, when they was doing like a B-roll thing with a bartender and somebody making food. And then I saw this really dope video with Make.Art.Now, and he did a really dope sequence of him making breakfast with the Osmo Action. So I was like, yo, that's a dope idea. Maybe I should try to do something really cool like that. So yeah, so I have, so we're gonna do brownies. We're not doing breakfast or cocktails or anything like that. We're gonna make brownies. Why? Because brownies are the best. These are my favorite brownies. So let's get it. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot in 4K. 60 frames per second on most of it, and we're gonna see how it turns out. I think I want to start with a shot of me opening the box first. Oh, and by the way, these lights here, these are Viltrox VL200 lights. They are bicolor lights. I have them on daylight now because I have a window over here, and I just wanted to make it look like, you know, daylight happening, you know, the kitchen, make it look like the kitchen has windows, but I only have one window. But yeah, these lights are under $200, and you get 3 in a pack, and it comes with a dope remote. But definitely there's a review on these coming soon. So yeah, so how do I want to shoot this? I think, because it's just me by myself, so I'm gonna set up these lights. You're about to not be able to see me, but only downfall is they don't get that bright, and then I don't want to bring the ISO up too high on the Osmo. So I have to double my frame rate. Now I'm underexposed. Yeah, I don't want to do 800 ISO either. Alright, so let's bring this down. I think I want to do like a really dope vortex shot. When I open it, do something like this. All right, but first, let's get a shot of me slamming it like that. All right, let's do a push-in. I don't like that. Do it again. Perfect. Let's get a playback. Sweet. But I'm gonna do it again because I don't like that. I need to get it perfect. Maybe if I do it in reverse. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in reverse. So boom, and so when I go and post, I'm gonna reverse the shot. Now let's do a vortex one. So, I don't like it. I need to come all the way out the frame. So let's do it edge. So I can pull it out this way. Fake it. All right. And action, my guy. I'm bent. Okay. That's dope. Speed ramp that, all these sound effects. All right. So let's move on to the next shot. How do you even make these? All right, so preheat the oven. Let me preheat the oven. 350, boom. Actually, let's get a shot of me. I would, the oven's dirty. I'm not gonna do all that. I can do it like this. Maybe get a shot over here. That's perfect. So I'm shooting blind here. Oh wait, I'm not. Front facing camera so I can see what I'm doing. You will not own me. I'll stick like I'm preheating. And boom. Let me hit the start button. Actually preheat. Let's see what we got. No, I don't like that. I'm not gonna use that shot. All right, so with this, I wanna get like a really cool shot of, I don't even know if you guys can see me. All right, so I wanna get a really dope shot of, I don't know if you guys can see, but a vortex shot like this moving in while I'm opening the package. So, see how this is gonna work. Let's put this in the way right here. So it's like it's going around that. All right. So in 3, 2, I can't even open it. Let me get it open and then fake open it. All right. And all right, let's do it. All right, that ain't work. Go back. All right, so I'm gonna do it this way. I don't get in the way anymore. All right, so and sweet. All right, let's get this thing open. Oh, okay. So let me get a dope shot of me pulling it out the packet. All right. You know what? Be right back. So since the box keeps coming up when I'm trying to pull it out to get a really cool shot, so I want to get a shot when the bag pulls up. I want the camera to go up with it. So I'm gonna tape the bottom of the box with some tape here, really strong tape, and see how that works. Ha! Genius. All right, it's starting to get hot in here. All right, and action. Let's do one more for safety. Let's do one for myself. All right, so we'll start down below. All right, and that's dope. That is sick. All right, so now we're moving on to where's the box? All right, so I need 2 eggs. I make brownies like all the time, and I should remember how to do this. So what's a good way to, all right, sweet, I like that. Already out the gate. All right, and see how that turned out. So I do have Rocksteady turned on, obviously. All right, so I'm gonna go down while I pull the egg out. That was cool. All right, so let me put this back. Okay, so what this is my mic stand actually. This is what I use for all of my overhead shots on the on my unboxing videos. Yep, the secret's out now. So throw that in there. If it even goes in, what's going on? All right, where? All right, so gotta move it on this side. So I want that traditional, if it stops moving, stay still. So now I'm free. All right, so I want that when I put the eggs in, I want that shot, and in post, I would scale in. So when I pour this, I'm gonna pour this in. Like that, go to traditional cooking show. All right, so let's record this. All right, that's all I wanted. The next shot, shoot through the glass. It's gonna take like 4 hours to shoot to make some daggone brownies. See, I thought about putting the Osmo in the bowl, but that's unsanitary because I do plan on eating these brownies. I have the Osmo in the measuring cup. Don't worry, I'm not gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna wash it. 1/3 cup. Oh, this measuring cup is 1/3. All right. So I'm just gonna do it for the shot. So let's record. All right, that's all I wanted. It's cold. All right, let me dry this off. So let me wash this out real quick. All right, so we washed it out, so now I can actually get it for real this time. So 1/3 cup. What's on this side? Yep, record and 1/3 cup. What I wanna do with this, I wanna tilt with it. All right, so, and go. All right, it was all right. I mean, ain't nothing to die for. Nothing like that. 1/3 cup oil. I like cake brownies, so I do 2 eggs. Don't judge me. No, I'm not gonna stick my Osmo in there with oil. I ain't with all that. All right, so let's do this is hard. All right. I do want an overhead shot with the eggs though. So let's bring the stand back. Put you back in your enclosure. All right, let's line this up in the way it should go. Just move the lights more inward. Perfect. All right, and it's kind of hard to crack eggs when you're watching the camera. Maybe I shouldn't watch the camera. All right. Now with the other one, this is so frustrating. I'm trying to get some sick B-roll. I just want to make brownies. Move you out the way. So let's grab an egg. So. I already got a shot of me grabbing an egg, didn't I? I did. All right, so let's sit this on. I need something to prop this up on. See, it sucks when you're shooting by yourself. The many challenges of a filmmaker or YouTuber, I should say. Maybe out the shot. All right. I feel like that sucked and I wasted it. That was actually dope. That was sick. Okay, now I gotta, where's my electronic thing at? Looks like I'm doing this by hand. All right, so now we're gonna stir it. I don't know how I wanna get this shot, honestly. Out of creative juice right now. Maybe I can try to stir it, or I can go like this. That shot while I'm trying to stir. All right, let's get it. So, oh. It's hard to stir without holding the bowl. So let me fake like I'm stirring it. And then get that whip shot, and then. So I think I'm done for shooting right now. Now I just want to get these done so I can pour it in the brownie thing and move on from there. So, all right, so we finally got done with the edit. But yeah, after looking at the footage came out okay. I'm not super impressed. I'm not super happy with it. It was pretty cool. It was something new, trying to get B-roll with the Osmo Action in this fashion. Never tried something like that. I've done B-roll outside and people walking, but I realized the Osmo Action worked better outside, outdoors. And I noticed that my footage was had a lot of motion blur for slow-mo, because I couldn't double my shutter speed. I shot in 60 and I couldn't shoot at 120 without boosting the ISO, and I didn't want to add more light. And I noticed at 800 with the Osmo Action, the ISO falls apart. So, well, the footage falls apart at 800 from what I noticed. But yeah, overall it was fun. The brownies turned out amazing. But if this video was helpful in any kind of way, like and subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notifications. We have some great videos coming soon, so definitely stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Peace.